It's Jam Capital back with the What If series starring Amazon, titled Life in a Diagonal Pattern. This short will cover my preferred Elliott wave count, some option charts, and possible projected paths of Amazon. Our preferred Elliott wave count is an ABC correction started on November 3rd, and right here 196.80 is a support level. Also, an alternative support level would be 187. And as this short is titled Life in a Diagonal Pattern, here is our diagonal pattern, which consists of a wave 5, which brings choppiness, confusion, and irrationality. Now let's look at the April 2nd 220 calls, and what you'll have here is really no growth and nothing but downward progression. And looking like a self-similar fractal, you'll see this combined with this is what we're getting out of the same pattern. So I would expect another move down right here as we saw this retracement. So let's look at the $200 puts, and what we'll see here is basically a diagonal pattern, which means there's a lot of confusion, uncertainty, and irrationality. Now let's look at the 235 monthly calls, and what you'll see here is this right here, this pattern becomes a possible ending diagonal, or this could bring more bearish pain, which the life in a diagonal brings a lot of confusion, which what we're seeing is both the people on the calls and the puts are confused. As you can see, the monthly Amazon 190 puts, same thing. Diagonal pattern, which is a lot of confusion. No one knows what's going on. Here's a little glimmer of hope, and this is Amazon short interest, which we have a support level down here, which more likely aligns with earnings coming out in end of April. And here's our preferred path, 196 or 187 before we see a jump up, which brings us to more than likely earnings. And here's our alternative path. The alternative path is we see 196, we see a little move up, relief, and then possible earnings, we see a gap down. Maybe CapEx fears are scaring the herd. So with that, I thank you for watching this video, and remember, subscribe and like this motherfucker.